reassembled as far as their responsibilities and back in our hands, ready to drop back in Godzilla in probably about a week. As we get it back, we're going to take over from there. And yeah, it's all coming together, man. And it's ironic, the internal components of an RB26 and the oil pan take up the entirety of a Mini Cooper. No, everything's kind of coming full circle, and just that sense of reality is starting to set in a little bit. It's really cool that this thing is going to be alive soon. It's going to be reassembled soon, which is great. And it's going to be alive soon. We're going to sort out the issues, and we're really looking forward to a fun summer. So this is it's kind of one of those moments where it's like another checkpoint along the way of this is real, this is happening, and my dream car is going to the next level. It's well on its way. So that, and today is just a really nice day for an hour long driving the car. So here we are, here we go. Let's drop this stuff off, and we'll come back to pick it up shortly.